Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 10. Under me as her supervisor, Prakriti, nature, produces the moving and the unmoving. Because of this, O Kaunte, the world revolves.
Chapter 9, Shloka 10. Mayadhyakshena prakritihi suyate sacharacharam hetunanena kaunteya jagat viparivartate.
Chapter 9, Shloka 10. What exactly is the strange relationship between the infinite and the finite? The finite acts because of the infinite, and yet the infinite is said to be neutral. How? The paradoxical relationless relationship between the infinite and the finite, described as superimposition, is explained through analogies. The sun's rays fall on the object and warm it without warming the medium through which they pass to reach the object. Similarly, self remaining in its own infinite glory enlivens the Prakriti or the non-self by its mere presence. A king declares a program to be held at a later date and forgets about it. His ministers work on the program and make all arrangements and remind him to come and grace it. The king didn't do anything to make the program successful, and yet nothing would have taken place without his sanction and presence. In his individual capacity, no one could have organized such a program. Similarly, in the mere presence of the self, Prakriti borrows her sanction to plan, execute, and achieve. In each one of us, the Atman, merely by its presence, illumines the mind and the intellect, creates the fields for the expression of the latent tendencies and the required instruments of knowledge and action. The unmanifest gets projected forth as the manifest. The self does nothing. In its presence, the Prakriti projects and executes. This is the relationship between the self, the Purusha, and the not self, the Prakriti. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.